Question 10c is a normal transition. The question is always change from normal distribution to binomial distribution. And in the question said that the requirement is greater than 98.1 cm. And from the previous section, we got it. The probability is 0.434. Now we have 100 randomly selected plant, so it is a binomial distribution. So we follow a binomial distribution, 100, and the probability is 0.434. So the first part is easier, exactly 34. So you choose x equals 34, and you plug in your calculator, and you get is 0.0131, approximately 152. So false significant is always okay. The second part is given conditional probability, right? Given fewer than 49, so it's a cumulative binomial distribution. You can still get it from the calculator and find the probability that exactly 34. So first of all, you define out what's the probability when x is less than 49. Don't worry, the calculator can do it for you. Just choose the cumulative mode. So it's 0.8482. Remember, false significant is always excellent. And then the probability, conditional probability, is x equal 34 given x less than 49. So this is probability x equals 44 over x less than 49. So substitute the number inside and then you got the result. Okay, 0.0152 over 0.8482. And this is the final result. The final result is 0.0157. Do you get it? Well done.